Okay, so I got it working. I had to do a factory reset. The problem was I have several starlinks. I actually have 3. Because I have one for my mom, one for my ex-wife's cabin, and I just got a 3rd one for my trailer. So the app, in my opinion, should ask you which account you want to use. I was logged into the wrong account. That's why it was all screwed up. So I did a factory reset, logged out of the app. Actually, I deleted the app off my phone, reinstalled it. That was the only way I could re-log in with the right account. But now it's working. It took a while. One thing I don't like. So the default config is 2.4. If you enable this will be 5G, the second one. But what I don't like is there's no way... Oh, maybe we'll delete that. Save. Are you sure? Yes. So there's no way to have one guest and one password. That's what I like. I'm just going to remove the password because I don't give a shit if people use my Wi-Fi. So I deleted the password. Well, now I got to re-log in. See the it's very funky. See now that has a password. That's weird. That shouldn't. Yeah. So here we go. Takes a while. Changing Wi-Fi networks screws everything up. Okay, so I'm on the 5G version. Let's do a speed test here. This is Open Signal. It saves speed tests in the cloud so people can find the best free Wi-Fi near them. So it's a little slow. 46, 14 up. That's one test. Let's test it again. See what happens. This is the 5G now. Oh shit, we switched back to catalyze. Okay. Or calyx. So I think the router's going through some reboot issues. I noticed that. It's not instant. You don't just plug it in and it works. Also, I would recommend deleting the app just so you get the right account. Because like I said, if you only have one account, it's not a big deal. But for me, that fucked me up for a good half hour. Okay, so we're on the network. Let's go to the Starlink app. We'll see what they say. So it says it's online. Oh, there's a software update. I'm going to do that in a little bit. But let's go to speed. So yeah, it's getting good. I got up to 185 or something like that on the download. That's still way better than cellular data. Cellular, I'm getting like 50 or 60. The upload's pretty bad, I've noticed. I'm near San Jose, California, so maybe that's why. I think they just opened up this area like this week. Because I checked the maps a couple days ago and it says it was unavailable. But then yesterday it was available. So, oh, this is the upload. That's a good upload. I don't know what that other, oh, that's the router. So maybe the phone's capped. This is router to internet. I see. So the first one was the phone to the internet. Yeah, still shitty. 14 megabits upload. That's not very good. All the way down to 9. So, for video conferencing, that's going to be an issue, which is one of the reasons I got this. Anyway, we're just going to... Oh, 540, there we go. That's getting up there. That's more like fiber speeds. That's good. There we go. So, one thing the app did say, if you read the, troubleshooting pages, it takes a good 24 hours for the satellite to configure itself. So don't be surprised if you're having trouble in the beginning. For me, just make sure you logged into the right account. If you have multiple Starlink accounts, make sure just delete the app. That's the only way I could get myself to re-log in on a different account, was delete it and reinstall it. And I had to do a factory reset. Do that first, then delete the app. Then log back in the right account. Then you can configure it all. It's not that hard to do if you do it right the first time. But you set a name for your Wi-Fi. You set an optional password. It took about half an hour to get the secondary Wi-Fi, the 5 gigahertz, to show up for the settings. This guy here, this was all grayed out for me. You can bypass the router. I don't know why you would do that. I guess if you hook up some other router. I'm going to update the software. Well, that just crashed. I don't know if that worked or what. Oh, I think it's like doing some BIOS shit. Okay, well, I'll do another video after a day of this and see where we stand.